So next step is the engine, and starting out with the carburetors. So this engine's actually so it's 4-cylinder 2-stroke, runs a 2+2 system, so only 2 carbs run up to, I think it's 1800 revs, and then the second 2 come in. Basically the 2 lowers, 3 and 4, don't run an idle circuit. You can tell by the lack of idle screw against the 1 and 2, which both have the idle system in place. So just going to give them a bit of a clean up. They're working fine. We did have some troubles a few years ago once it had sat for a while, that debris had built up in the bowls on 3 and 4, so when it tries cutting in, it wasn't clean. So we're just going to have them apart. They're very simple internally. Got 4 repair kits, which is just basically a new set of gaskets. So we'll get them cleaned up and back on the motor. So I'm making some pretty good progress now. Engine's all remounted, all wired up, connected, etc. Just need to carry on with the service on it now. So already done the fuel filter when I was putting the carbs on. So it's just a set of plugs and new gearbox oil and new impeller to go in, and then we can hook some fuel up and get it all started up again.